Hello, my name is Eduardo Torres, and I'm a production engineer at HJ. And we're gonna go over the low voltage bushing installation. First, make sure that you receive your gasket and it's in good condition, and your grip nut. Also, make sure there's no cracks on the porcelain body. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our sales team or engineering team. We also have the polymer bodies, just the same, your gasket and your torque value for your piece. And you will need your torque wrench in order to do the final assembly. We will start with cleaning the porcelain with alcohol and a wipe. And once in good condition, we can move towards the transformer. Once it's properly secured with the grip nut, grab your torque gun, set it to the desired torque value, and using a 90-degree angle, torque it in.